I think the key takeaways are that the whole industry is not in front of a Kodak moment. So we don't face complete and absolute disruption, but there's a whole set of technologies that will have an impact on us going forward, and that across the whole value chain. So I think the biggest impact will be on costs. So I expect much lower costs in the value chain. I would also expect a much better, customer experience in the sales process and the claims process. I would expect some new services to emerge that actually minimize the risk. And I probably expect in the underwriting process a more simplified underwriting process that uses big data to avoid to ask too many questions. Yeah, so in terms of concrete example, I could imagine this feedback loop to the consumer that makes them lower the risk. So for example, the car would tell them not to use this particular road at this time of the night or with this weather pattern because there's more accidents there. I would tell maybe you drive somewhere else. Or the car would sense that the consumer is nervous or aggressive right now and would give feedback. Maybe something's wrong with you today, you should calm down, things like that. Or your watch would tell you should go to a hospital, we see abnormal patterns in your heartbeat. So really, you can imagine also your home, for example, having sensors and saying you should do this and that to minimize the risk. So I can see how insurance will not just protect people from the risk, but actually minimize the risk, and that's going to be a big change.